The Vision Camera configuration window allows you to modify the cameras associated with the remote vision server. You can access the Vision Camera configuration option under the Vision pull-down menu. On the left of the Vision Camera configuration window is the listing of all available cameras. Once you select a camera, you can modify the camera resolution by modifying the desired resolution selection. If you want to disable a camera, you can unselect the camera enabled option for that device. You can use the up and down arrows to change the ordering of the cameras. Once you have modified the camera configuration, press the record button to apply the changes. Any changes are applied immediately by the Vision server.